I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from E to Otwo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Make sure your E account is active and that you're not in a contract that would incur fees for leaving early. You can usually find this information in your account settings on the E website or app. Step 2. Request a PAC code. Contact E to request your porting authorization code PAC. You can do this via the customer service number or through the app. The PAC code is usually valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with Otwo. Once you have your PAC code, go to Otwo's website or visit a store to sign up for a new plan. During the sign-up process, you will be asked to provide your PAC code. Step 4. Insert your new SIM. After you've signed up with Otwo, you will receive your new SIM card. Insert it into your phone and make sure it is activated. You might need to restart your phone for it to recognize the new SIM. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. The number transfer usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. You will receive a confirmation from Otwo once the transfer is complete. Keep an eye on your old e-service to ensure it stops working, indicating the transfer was successful. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you navigate the process without a hitch. Good luck with your new Otwo plan.